Did you know Swiggy started its venture with 5 delivery boys? Yes, it is true. 7 years back, the venture was started as a food delivery app, but today it is a full-fledged food tech company. Today, Swiggy has left no stone unturned to revolutionize the food home delivery market. Take an example maybe, Swiggy Genie. Pick a store, select the item, order, and the Genie will deliver. Swiggy is today India's largest online food tech company. Doesn't this excite you to know about Swiggy more? It does na? So let us get talking about Swiggy in this video. Before I proceed with the video, please subscribe to our channel Pupso Business, where you will get to know about all such stories religiously. Swiggy is a Bangalore-based food tech firm that is operating in 100 Indian cities. Shall we know how it was established? In 2013, the two young founders, Nandan Reddy and Sriharsha Majeti, designed an e-commerce website called Bundle to facilitate courier service and shipping within India. Unfortunately, it didn't work as they planned. Soon they realized to put an halt on Bundle and start with a food delivery platform. At the time, the food delivery sector was in turmoil as several notable startups such as Foodpanda, Tiny Oil and Oil Cafe were struggling. Majeti and Reddy approached Rahul Gemini, who was formerly working with Myntra and founded Swiggy under the parent company Bundle Technologies. To the wonders of many market speculators, the company built a dedicated delivery network and grew rapidly. In 2015, the company started to attract external investments. And guess what? Swiggy's first investment was about $2 million from Acer and SAF partners, along with an additional investment from Norwest Venture Partners. It was not enough. The next year, Swiggy raised $15 million from new and existing investors, including Bessemer Venture Partners and Harmony Partners. Yes, believe us, Swiggy was on the road to become the largest delivery business. In 2017, Naspers led an $80 million funding round into Swiggy. Swiggy received $100 million from China-based Mutant Diaping and Naspers in 2018, and a string of investment boosted the company's valuation to over $1 billion. In early 2019, Swiggy expanded into general product deliveries under a new name, Swiggy Stores. In September 2019, Swiggy launched instant drop-off service Swiggy Go. This service is used for a diverse array of items, including laundry and documents or parcel deliveries to business clients and retail customers. The year 2020 was curbing year for all businesses. So did for Swiggy. In May 2020, it laid off 1,100 employees in the wake of COVID-19. But trying to sustain in the market, Swiggy launched their grocery delivery platform called Instamart in August 2020. In 2021, the company announced that it would cover the vaccination cost for its delivery partners. And this March, Swiggy set up Health Hub across Chennai and Tamil Nadu. Meanwhile, Swiggy has also partnered with Burger King to provide delivery services. It has also partnered with Google Local Guide to facilitate customer reviews, Sodexo to enable customer for paying through meal cards. Swiggy has partnered with Indify Technologies to facilitate a financing program for partnered restaurants. It has also launched a digital wallet, Swiggy Money, in partnership with ICICI Bank. So what do you think? Isn't it the founder's well-thought execution that brought Swiggy to become one of the biggest food tech startup in India? Today, Swiggy delivers more than 70,000 orders consistently in a day. It won't be wrong to say that Swiggy is the country's largest food aggregator. We know success does not come easily. It requires patience and hard work, which the trio of Sriharsha Majeti, Nandan Reddy and Rahul Gemini put together in Swiggy. Today, many food delivery startups are trying to put their feet in the market following the footsteps of Swiggy. Delivery.com, Uber Eats, DoorDash, E24 and EatSure are in the race to become like Swiggy. We all have had our best and worst experience with Swiggy. Do let us know yours in comment section. The best comment will be pinned out by us. We hope this information was useful for you. If yes, please hit the like button. Do not forget to share this video with your business passionate friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe us now. See you soon with another interesting and informative video. Thank you for watching.